We considered a franchising structure. We talked to quite a lot of franchising consultants before we wanted to go international. And I hate to say it, I mean, no offense to anyone that's doing a franchise. If someone sat across from me and tried to sell a franchise, I'd ask them, if it was so good, why don't you do it yourself? If your business model was so proven and so awesome as you're selling it, go get some finance, go get investors, go get whatever, and have your own business. And the best businesses will scale themselves and refuse to franchise. And you borderline have to beg them and offer your firstborn child to give you a franchise. And so we couldn't do the franchise right just because I couldn't sit across from someone and tell them how risk-free or how simple it was, because I just went, business is business. It's risky, you know. So we ended up doing JVs with partners overseas. We take a minority stake in the business overseas, but we don't put any capital up front. And for that minority stake, we license them the right to use, and we also supply them the products at a very reasonable cost, at much better than what we would sell distributors, so that they can then make a margin on retail. This then gives them access to everything that they would normally get with a franchising program, which is like support, all the tutorials, obviously our products, our licenses, you know, anything that you need. But instead of just having to put cash up front for something silly and something you don't know is going to work, we'll do a JV. But that means that our selection criteria for who we choose to work with is a lot stricter. Obviously, trust comes into play heavily. You're pretty much going to bed with someone. So it's, for me, that's like very, very important that you have to trust that person, and you have to be able to, in order to help you scale that sort of region,